As we are getting older, our skin is with different characteristics. We have to adapt our routine and try to find some products that are specific for our age group and that make our skin look better and not worse. So if you, like me, have already droopy, high lids and some wrinkles, our skin is no longer as it was in our 20s, there are some tips and tricks that I use to make my skin look better. Because sometimes if you apply too much makeup, your wrinkles and your imperfections will be more visible as we age. You are seeing me bare face. I only did my hair and applied my skincare routine and nothing else, and I'm going to do a simple everyday makeup for mature skin. If you are around my age, mid 50s and beyond, our skin starts to droop. We have also some wrinkles. Sometimes many makeup tutorials don't work for mature skin. This is not sponsored, so I'm just doing my routine here together with you. Maybe I could help some of you. So all things are what I indeed and I truly wear on a daily basis. First of all, instead of a regular foundation, I use kind of a CC cream. This is from a South Korean brand called Eyebrow. I use a CC cream already for about 5 years. As this adds a thinner layer into my skin, it's more natural in my opinion, as I can still see my skin under this layer. This is available in several shades. My shade is Claire. I think it's the lightest shade they have. I kind of use an amount like that, not much. And let's just... And I apply with my own hands as well, as I think this way the warmth of our fingers kind of blends in a more natural way all these creams in our skin. Careful with our skin under our eyes. I have a mirror here so that I can see what I'm doing. So then you can kind of press a little bit. Just clean my hands. So next I usually do my eyebrows, and for that I have this eyebrow pencil from NYX, very cheap, nothing special, but I think it works. I don't have a lot of eyebrows. During my whole life I didn't ever make my eyebrows. They were like that, always scarce, very little, very light, and I don't want also to kind of overload with lots of products, as this is an artificial look that I'm not like that. I like to leave it as they are. Well, I just do the minimum amount of product, as naturally I don't have heavy eyebrows. Some of you may think this is not modern, this is not trendy, as nowadays we are seeing lots of heavy eyebrows, but I don't have heavy eyebrows. I didn't have any time of my life heavy eyebrows, so I like to leave it like that. As I have hooded eyes and this skin is also very droopy, I like to apply some darker eyeshadow, matte. It has to be a matte eyeshadow. I have a dark brown. You can also choose any color you want. It has to be matte. When we have hooded eyes, we have to kind of create a false crease in the upper part of our eyelid, so that this shadow shows and kind of make our eyes deeper, like that. So I usually apply it here, and then I grab a fluffy brush and blend. And let me just do the other eye. So you just have to place it a little bit above your natural crease and then blend. And as you see, this is a kind of a pinkish brown. It's very beautiful. I have this one in brown and another one in green, as I just love green, and my eyes are kind of hazel, so I just love to wear green as well. And these ones are from Clinique. They have this part that has the matte eyeshadow, darker, in the darker color, and has another end with kind of sheen. Today I want to do a very natural makeup, kind of a no makeup. I'm going to pass that step. Sometimes when I want to kind of do my eyes a little bit more intense, I also grab kind of a dark brown pencil or a kind of a burgundy one. For instance, this one that I have from Lancôme. It's also very beautiful. It's a burgundy, and if you have hazel eyes like me, these burgundy tones will make your eyes pop. I usually kind of do a little bit under the upper eyelid and sometimes a little bit on the bottom, but just the tiniest amount, kind of nothing. So then I apply my mascara, and this one is from a brand called Clarins. It's a French brand, it's from Paris, and this is the XXL volume mascara, Wonder volume mascara. It's good for all of you that as we age with menopause, my eyelashes are getting thinner and weaker, and so I decided to buy this one from Clarins because it has good elements like honey and other natural ingredients that are kind of good for our eyelashes. It's a makeup but with treatment ingredients, and it smells like honey. Eyes are ready. I opt always for creamy products instead of powdery ones. That's why I just love these kind of eyeshadows, because this is not powdery. This is kind of a very silky product, and it's very good for our mature skin. Powder will dry our skin even more. In my 20s, 30s and 40s I had very oily skin, and now with the menopause my skin is very dry, and opt instead for creamy ones. So this one is from Inglow. I think this is a Polish brand. It has very good makeup at a reasonable price. I will apply first on the back of my hand, and then with a kind of this brush I do like that and then apply. You want to kind of bring it up. Don't apply horizontally. Start here and then like that, up. Let me just do this side. Apply a little bit on top of your nose as well, like that, just like that. Only this product. If you noticed, I didn't apply any skin corrector. With this kind of concealers we have to take very careful, otherwise sometimes they are very heavy and they will crease and mark all wrinkles, all lines that we already have under our eyes, and we will look older than we actually are. Move on to lips. First of all, I like to apply a lip pencil. This one is from Charlotte Tilbury, and this is what is left. So you see that I just love this.
Anywhere you go, give it all.
I just bought a new lipstick from Lancôme. They are kind of buttery. Again, a lipstick that is makeup and treatment at the same time. This also has some ingredients that treats our lips, hydrates our skin. It's very needed as we age, as you all already know. So it's like that, very simple, nothing too over the top, but I think for every day this is enough. This will give me a better face. I feel more confident, I feel better. It's just the little bit that makes all the difference in my opinion, and for me, for my daily basis. I hope you like the way I do my makeup. Let me know in the comments if you wear also makeup on a regular basis. What kind of makeup do you do? Or even if you don't wear makeup, please let me know. I just love to hear from you all. And if you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next Monday. Bye bye!